Hello guys, this is Lescended. So let's get started. For glow line effect, we'll need two apps. One is a light motion, and the other is AV Player. So download them first. Step 1, a light motion, open a light motion. Create a new project. And then import your image. Now, add a drawing and draw it where you want your glow lines. Now click on Add Effect and add an effect called Stroke Paper to the drawing. Now set it like I'm setting. I'm adding another drawing and adding same effect to it. Then the third one. You're all set now. Now add another effect to the drawing called Drawing Progress. And set it like this. Now, we're just going to copy this effect and paste it to another drawings. It will look like this. Now, click on plus and add a rectangle. Click here and fill it. Then select this, and this, and then group them by clicking here. Select the grouped clip and duplicate it. Now, add an effect to the duplicate clip called Gaussian Blur, and add another effect, Exposure and Gamma. This effects will give our drawing the glow. Now set this effects with me. You can add any color of glow which you want. We're all set now. I'm going to add text here. You can also give the eyes a glow by adding circle. Then adding same effects. Gaussian blur and exposure like this. And now duplicate it for the other eye. You're all set now. Now export it. Coming to the next step is making this video a GIF, for which I'm using a website. I'll give link in description. Import U file. And then click Upload Video. Now, set frames to 33 and resolution to max. Click Convert GIF and then download it. Now step 3. AVI Player. Open AVI Player and use only this viz, which I'll give link in description. Play your audio. Now add your GIF and you're all set. You can export it from here. So that's all for now. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more such videos.